Welcome to this QuickBooks 2019 tutorial for beginners on how to transfer funds between accounts. My name is Matt Hultquist with the QuickBooks University. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to move money within QuickBooks. Okay, so one important thing before we start is this is if you have physically moved the money online, or you've gone to your bank and said, hey, I need to make this transfer, and so we are recording this after the fact. Okay, so this is just recording this in QuickBooks, so you need to make sure that you actually physically move this money outside of QuickBooks. All right, I know maybe that sounds simple, but sometimes that does trip people up. All right, so what we're going to do, I'm going to go to this banking drop-down menu, and we're going to transfer funds. And you are going to use this function if you are simply transferring money between accounts. What I mean by that, if you are moving money from your checking account to your savings account, or if you take a draw on a line of credit. So let me show you a couple examples here. Let's assume, let me go back up here. First of all, you want to make sure the date is right. And if you do have a class you're assigning to this, you want to assign the class. So the transfer funds from, hit the drop-down menu, you're going to see all the balance sheet accounts. So we want to choose checking. So we're moving money from the checking account, we're taking it out of the checking, and we are moving it to the savings account. All right, so let's pick $2,500. We're moving money to our savings account. You'll see this online funds transfer button here. This is if this is linked, and there is a way to link this so it'll actually physically move the money. I prefer to actually keep this a little bit separate from that just to avoid any issues. But you can check that and go through that process and have it do it for you. But in this case, this is if we have physically gone online, let's say, and moved money from our checking to our savings. So hit Save and New. And it's going to warn you, you're transferring funds between the two accounts and you haven't checked this button. So we're going to say OK. All right, so that's pretty easy, pretty simple. Now, one question I get a lot is if you draw money on a line of credit, how do we record that? Okay, same process. We're going to transfer funds. We've got the date. We're going to put in, let's say it's a remodel, and we're going to transfer funds from, and let's go down here and choose. If we look, we don't necessarily have a line of credit account, but we have this notes payable. So we're going to assume in this example that this is a line of credit for the business. So we need to take a draw on the line of credit. We're going to transfer it from the notes payable and transfer it to the checking account. Okay, so let's say that this is $20,000, and we're going to leave that unchecked. We're going to say funds transfer. You can put in any memo that you want to. Then let's hit Save and Close. So let me show you here. If I go to my notes payable register, you're going to see that it increases by $20,000. All right. And if I go to my checking account register, it also increased by $20,000. So we drew that money from the line of credit and increased our checking account. And you'll see the $2,500 transfer to the savings as well. All right, so that's basically it. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. Happy to answer those. And if you'd like to join me as a member of the QuickBooks University to pretty much learn everything you need to know about QuickBooks and how to run your QuickBooks file, and I also answer personal questions for members, head on over to the QuickBooks University. It's qbuniversity.org.